It's important that we manage our time, and there's never been a better time for a few practical strategies and good time habits. You may be surprised to learn that actually a few simple strategies can make a big difference to how much time you have and the choices you make and what you can achieve with that time. So, we're really looking at what the impact is of your current time habits on your time, how you can plan your week better for increased productivity, how to prioritize your workload, and understanding what your blocks to productivity currently are so that you're then able to deal with them. Also, whether you're working from home, working from the office, remote working, bit of both, that's something that we're also all having to deal with at the moment. The three key strategies I want to touch on today are planning, prioritizing, and organizing. These are fairly high level strategies, but how you apply them is what comes into what works for you and your individual approach and the way you work and the type of work that you do. But they are key and they are the important areas to focus on. Planning is the key, most important strategy. If you don't currently plan, then planning is going to make a big difference to you. If you have lots of things on your plate that you're trying to do, you're juggling all those different demands, prioritizing is going to be really helpful. And if you're just generally disorganized, then having some form of structure and organization and systems and processes in place is really going to help. What are your blocks to productivity? So, what are the things that stop you from being as productive with your day as you could be? A lot of that comes into not having clear boundaries around your time. So you're not protecting your time either from yourself or from other people, and you're allowing them to overstep those boundaries. Not having clear expectations. Again, this relates back to your goals. Are you clear about what it is you're expected to do? But also with tasks that you either take on or that you're working on. Are you clear about what's required? And especially when you're working with other people, setting those expectations. People will quite often come up and sort of say, "Oh, can you get this done for me, Claire?" And so you say, "Yeah, of course I can." And then you go, "Well, what does can you get this done mean? And does that mean now? Or actually, because I'm busy, can I leave that till later? Do I need to drop everything and deal with it? Or there's no clear explanation or expectation given with that task. So that's something that's important if you're going to be able to manage your time better.